man on this, and then I got killed. Are you recording?
What's going on, guys? I'm the roasted turkey here!
You're actually recording, are you?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, okay
then. Do you want to do the box now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Alright,
no,
so,
no.
right, I'm gonna close the door for extra protection.
Can I sit on the chair if we're doing the video?
Yeah. There's my laptop. We're looking at... It is spelled like canal, isn't it?
Yeah! Okay. Okay, the game's
big
gonna,
noob.
so this is good time to start. I've never actually sat on this chair. Ooh la la.
Oh, he sounded like Master. She's like... Right. We've got some Advanced Warfare gameplay. Right there.
He's a hack!
Oh yeah! That's funny,
That's
isn't it,
from this game. I'm the creator.
Are you ready? It's about
Right.
to smell so bad in
Right, so
here.
shall I start burping now? Yeah.
Yep.
Ready? Okay then. Sorry, I just looked at your face and you looked funny. Okay then. Oh, look at that helmet!
Go on.
I've kind of adopted a new laugh. Oh my god, he has royalty moves. Right. Okay, it's coming up. Stop laughing, I can't do it. Right. Ah, come on. Yeah, right. But unroasted turkey rebirth, yeah? Right. Nah. Okay. Oh, sorry, my laugh is messed up. But that was a good burp.
That was like what the biggest was. You literally.
Are you back?
So sorry for the cut. My phone's ran out of battery, but we are going again using my
Oh, was that
scuff
quick scope?
charging
Oh,
cable.
well, quick scope and it gets him up. Right. Let's pull some more back. We now just did a really big one, but...
I did get that. I luckily did get
Yes,
that.
okay, good. Right, ready? Oh man, I start laughing halfway through the burp and it cuts off the rest.
Oh look, the fan is literally heading towards me. So,
That's really good because I'm really hot.
but that means your burps will
Oh.
just come towards me.
Right.
I'm so unhealthy.
Oh, hard scope time. Oh, okay, maybe not. Oh, he's a hack!
Some sick hard scopes. Go on, Cameron.
Tenderness.
Tenderness.
A shout out to Adam Cook for tenderness. Ooh. Shout out to the tenderness.
Tenderness.
Tenderness. Tenderness.
Okay, we've been going for about 2 minutes. Should we go for like another minute?
Another minute.
No. Go on.
Oh, right, I'm gonna keep trying to wrap it back. Still more. Okay.
Tenderness.
Tenderness.
It's not actually charging. Hang on, I'll get my proper charging cable.
Did they hear that one?
Yep, look at that, I was still recording.
Phew. Oh, I definitely have gotten better over the years. Like,
Yeah.
I've been practicing, getting better.
Actually, we're getting close to a year on this channel.
Oh my god, we are as well.
We started in like August, like 20th or something.
Yeah. And we're very sorry for not uploading very much recently. Like, since our last video, it's been like 5 months, almost half an entire year.
It's not good.
Yeah, we were playing too much Black Ops 3, weren't we, Dan? No, I'm kidding. Black Ops 3 sucks.
I smell that. That's disgusting. That's disgusting.
Yeah, I'm done. Right, I'll do one more really big one.
Yeah, just go for it on this one.
No, that was tiny. I'll try again. Oh, come on.
Stop.
Oh, there you go.
Hey! So thank you all so much for watching. Thanks to Kev.
Screenshot.
and
That's the thumbnail.
and to me. Goodbye. Bitches love the Rubik's Cube.